This channel is for educational purposes only. We show you the how-tos. This should not be constituted as financial advice. Please contact a professional in that area to let you know what you should do with your money. Today, we're going to be talking about getting a jump on your tax statements and gains and loss statements for the upcoming filing year 2025 for the 2024 taxes. We're going to go through the four exchanges, where you can find them, and how easy it is to download them and get them ready for your tax preparer. Starting off with Coinbase, you're going to log in and scroll down to the bottom of their menu bar there and select More. And in that next column, you're going to find Taxes. And this will give you your gains and loss statement as well as your 1099s or your Form 8949 for Coinbase. Pretty self-explanatory. The gains and loss statement can be printed out in HTML, PDF, or CSV. For Kraken, you may have to dig and dive from the original or the opening one. If you're using the Kraken new platform, go ahead and click on the profile icon, then Documents. You're going to get there, you say View Documents, but it's going to give you a message. You got to view it in Kraken Pro. Now, you can go through those steps that I just took, or just click on those chevrons in the corner that was there, and then you'll be able to pull up your tax documents from the Kraken Pro interface. Gemini is kind of straightforward. You're going to go again and click on your profile icon, and this time you're going to go to Settings. And from Settings, the last option there is Statements and Taxes. You click on that, and you select the year. And you'll have all your statements. Go ahead and select Taxes. Same deal. You're going to find your 1099 miscellaneous and your gains and loss statements. And finally, on Uphold, what you're going to do is scroll down the menu and select Activity. And at the top of the Activity column, there's a Reports icon. Just click that. And what will pop up are your tax statements and transaction histories for the years they have prepared for you. In a little less than 3 minutes, you've got all your tax documents ready to go. Hand over to your tax preparer, or if you plan on doing them yourself, just having them in a nice, concise location. Go ahead, download them, save them to a flash drive or some kind of secure location. And that way, when you're ready to file your taxes, you'll have them on hand, ready to go. Let me know what you thought of this video. Give me a shout out, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you very, very soon.